At our tree farm, when we're mowing, birds love to dive bomb us because they're really just getting bugs. And there are a lot of bugs at a nursery. And while we're mowing, it's fun to watch the birds collecting bugs. If you would like to bird watch, you can at Highland Hill Farm. We have a bird watching program where people can come and look at the birds at Highland Hill Farm. We have all kinds of birds. We even have some ospreys, some eagles, and occasionally we have cricket sparrows. So if you want to come to Highland Hill Farm and to view birds, you can. If you're a sportsman and a hunter, we also have a hunter access program where you can come to Highland Hill Farm and hunt deer, rabbits, groundhogs, and turkeys. So you can give us a call at Highland Hill Farm at 215-651-8329 and talk to us about our outdoor recreational opportunities. We even have places for you to hunt dinosaur bones and Indian artifacts as well as fossils.
These are our sunset red maples in our field. We grew these from little seedlings. As you can see, they're probably about 15 foot tall, and they start branching around 4.5 to 5 feet. When we dig these trees, we'll take the stake off and we'll take the deer guard off, and we'll dig them into a nice 28 inch tree ball that's got burlap and sisal twine and wire cage on it to help hold the root system all together to get to your place. When they do come out, they'll be nice and green just like this. Maybe some of the interior leaves will fall off from digging in the shock of digging in the summer, but they will be a nice healthy plant to get to your place.
This is the foliage of the sunset red maple. It will turn red in the fall. It'll have a beautiful fall red color for your landscape. If you need sunset red maples or other landscape trees, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm. We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. We ship out of Fountainville, PA, Lenoir, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Our phone number is 215-651-8329. Thank you. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.